Okay, welcome back everybody. So I made it down to Lake Hope, and what's cool about Lake Hope, I hope I have it in focus here, because I actually still have my helmet on. I don't have anything else to record with, and the wind's a little crazy. I'm gonna keep this open. So this is how they used to make iron. So this is the Lake Hope iron furnace and union furnace, I do believe. That's how it got its name, because they had one also. So first time I saw that, I was like, what is that? But it's absolutely a beautiful ride getting out here. A lot of rain. I just discovered that a fat man walking down an incline it's just nothing but mud is not good, but I stayed up, so that's all that matters. Welcome back everybody. Today is March 10th, so happy birthday little brother. I'm out enjoying some beautiful weather. It's kind of like sunny. Coming into the little town of Union Furnace. I love that name. Don't know why. And it's just a tiny little town. So let me see if we can get back on track here. So it's March 10th. It's Spider says 60 degrees. I don't think it's that warm, but it's definitely nice. The wind is crazy, gusts up to 45 miles per hour today, and I was literally not considering riding. My buddy just shot me a text and was like, "Are you riding today?" And I'm like, "I don't think so. It's awful windy." But then I remembered I was talking with a viewer in Australia who has not been able to get on his Spider for a while now. So I told him that no matter what, I would get out for a ride and dedicate it to him. So here's to you, Beanie Boy in Australia. The temperatures here are gorgeous. The sun is beautiful. It's just a little windy. I found this beautiful little road last month. I've never been on this road. And we have a little creek. And we just run through this valley, and it is gorgeous, I do believe. And what really sucks is, since I've only been down this road once before, I'm really like, oh, what's this? What's that? What's that? You know, and I want to look at everything, but you know, I gotta focus on the ride. I gotta stay on the road. But I think this is you know, this summer, this is going to be a gorgeous little road to ride. And it's not very long. I forget where it takes me. But through here, once, you know, the leaves are on the trees, it's just going to be absolutely gorgeous up here. You know, and I'm really starting to get excited about, you know, the warmer temperatures. I hope that we are, ooh, that was a big drop off. I hope that we're done with the below freezing for multiple days. Seeing how we're, ooh, this road needs a little bit of work done to it. Dropped off there again. Yeah, I just have to take it nice and easy through here, and I don't want to. You know, I want to get out and want to have a little bit of fun, blow off some steam. Even though I had an excellent ride yesterday. You know, I don't know what to think, because I've never ridden like this before, to be honest with you. You know, the Spider is my commuter to work. It's absolutely everything I do. You know, I go for rides and work, and I don't know the last time I had the Spider to work. So that's it. That's that little road. Oh, I know where I'm at. This will take me down to 56. I think I'm gonna go left, because I know there's another road I want to go on. But I am truly excited. You know, I can't wait to be on this thing every day, or 90% of my time. We have got a lot of water. Oh, that's third gear. So like I said, you know, I can't wait to get on this thing. This winter is just been, it's been hard. I've been able to get my rides in. So, you know, that's fine. Oh, I don't know. I keep forgetting what helmet I'm in. You know, I've been able to get my rides in this year, and it's been able to keep me satisfied, to be honest with you. But I'm not a weekend warrior. You know, I'm used to hopping on this thing at 25 degrees and going to work, and you know, things are a little different at work. I've only been at this new job for, I don't know, 3.5 years, and we are already in our third office building. You know, they're trying to centralize this, and they brought us into an office, and the team has shrunk, so they moved us to another office. So, you know, going into if I was going into the shop, I wouldn't care. I throw my gear on, walk in, it doesn't matter. But you know, in an office setting, it's a little different. Everybody understands that I ride a lot, and it wouldn't be bad if I just had to take off. You know, I always wear some Frog Tog rain pants over whatever I'm wearing, just keep the dirt and dust off. You know, so if I'm going in the office and taking a jacket off, pulling my helmet off, taking the Frog Togs off, there's not an issue at all. But you know, if you're talking about a heated layer, and you know, it can get in the way. Tons of water. And then this used to be the highway. I remember my dad worked at the college down here, and I dated a girl down here, and man, I was on this road all the time. And then they built the highway, and now I'm hardly ever on it. But it's a nice little ride. But, you know, I'm very thankful to get out, and I hope these temperatures do creep up and stay north of freezing. That's going to help me be able to get on this Spyder and get to work and do what I love to do. The one good thing about being a weekend warrior is I haven't put a lot of miles on it. I don't have a lot of maintenance costs. Yeah, I got the oil change. I'm ready for an oil change. It's sitting at the house. I got some LED headlight bulbs I want to put in this thing, and I think I'm going to be set then. Wow, the river is to its banks. And then I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I don't know how long ago it's been. 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. It was in February for sure. We were able to get to Myrtle Beach as a family. I took my nephew. But it was cool leaving Ohio, going through the mountains in West Virginia, which actually had snow on them, and then getting to the Carolinas. We got a dead animal right there. And everything was in bloom. You know, and I forget how I missed that, you know, because everything's just so dead still up here, and you know, well, we're still in winter. So I can't wait, you know, until the trees start blooming, and yeah, I can just throw a jacket on and go for a ride and not have to worry about gearing up so heavily. And come on, spring. And I know there's a lot of people out there that's waiting for spring. And maybe there's a lot of people out there waiting for winter so they can actually get out and enjoy and just not get baked. And I talked about this not too long ago. You know, January, February, March is hard for me to ride. But, you know, if I lived somewhere different, it might be you know, in the middle of summer where I just couldn't get out and ride because it's just too blazing hot. So everybody has their issues they got to overcome, and so far I've been able to do mine. I've been able to ride. I've been happy. And I think I'm gonna let everybody go, but I will be back. Welcome back, everybody. So I picked this road because this is like the closest thing we have to switchbacks in my area, and it's quite a climb. Oh, and it's a tight little road too. Go ahead and drop another gear. There we go. I love this section of this road. And I really don't know it that well. I don't know if we're just gonna, oh, windy. I don't know if we're gonna just, you know, come right back down again, or if I ride up here for a while, but you know, I hope you like the ride today. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited that I can go for a ride. Oh, that was some stout wind. So I hope everybody's safe and everybody can get out and enjoy their spiders and their motorcycles. Spring is almost on us. I'm gonna let everybody go because I am heading into a stout wind, and I can tell the noise is really picked up in the helmet. So give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in a couple days.